This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Germain. Enjoy this beautiful home site at Bennettts Creek. Build your dream home with an award-winning custom builder next to Bennettts Creek Park West/free boat ramps that access the NANSEMOND River. Minutes to 664 and mm tunnel. Come visit. Take I-64 to I-664. EXIT 9A towards US 17N/James R. Bridge. Merge onto US 17N/Bridge Road. Take 17 into Shoulders Hill Road. At light turn left and follow Shoulders Hill Road. At light turn right onto Bennettts Creek Park Road. Turn left onto Parkside CIR, then make an immediate right onto Parkside CIR, then left onto Gardenia Court.